here's the next job I'm doing. There's an old fireplace on the house here, and it's an old house, obviously. Old fireplace, old house. It's kind of been scabbed together or patched. Somebody put a... I can't get around the side because the sun's going to shine right in the camera here, but maybe you can see up at the very top there. Somebody's scabbed on another piece of flue because it wasn't drawn right. It's smoking in the house. And you come down here and you can see the right behind the firebox. You know, it's kind of got some vertical cracking going on right there, and over here on this where the shoulder comes down, that edge is kind of blowing off. There's a crack in the footer down here. Obviously there's a lot of water problem. You can see the joints are just totally eroded. They've put on some kind of cement board at one point, trying to trim out. I'm sure the wood rotted, so they put the cement board on there. So, but you can see the effervescence is all in there. The thing's getting a ton of, it's leaking, everything else. So I'm gonna tear it down and go back up, brand new. Maybe put a pizza oven in out here. I don't know if we're gonna get that far or not, but or if they're gonna make that choice to go that way or not. But so that's it. You can kind of see the flash in there. It's been flashed a few times and whatever. It's not in good shape. So I got all the flowers out of here. Just spent a little while doing that, and I'm gonna set some staging up, and hopefully tomorrow I'll tear this thing down, and I'll try and video. I don't know how much of it I'll video. Probably not any of it going down, probably. But when I start building back the fireplace on the inside, the firebox there, I'll try and video that, so that anybody that wants to can see exactly how you build a fireplace in the box anyway. So there you go.